Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to a new video on Tellor or TRB. We're doing a full update again. Obviously, I do want to start off with a disclaimer that TRB is one of the most manipulated cryptos I've seen in probably my whole trading career in crypto. So it's difficult to predict and basically everything can happen. We'll talk about all the different scenarios, all right? We'll talk about what's most likely, but in the end, you should know that like I've analyzed and I've traded for quite a long time, but I'm not that accurate at predicting TRB, I think, personally. But all right, we'll still talk about it. I'll still give you all of my arguments in favor of a dump and in favor of a potential rally. Both are possible. I'm leaning towards one of the two. I'll talk about that. You have to stick around for the video, but that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. Right now, purely technically, TRB looks bullish and bearish. All right, and I'll show you why. I mean, at the first glance, you'd say it's bearish, right? We're making lower highs, and every time it hits a major resistance level, it actually does drop down quite extensively, which is also visible with this last touch of the 50 EMA. So that is true, but then if you take a look at this, you can also see that I mean, yeah, it's like there's some bullish momentum here as well, which is the thing that's interesting is that actually yesterday this actually got invalidated. So I'm leaning towards the market structure at least being a little bit more bearish. We're making lower highs. The resistances are respected. So even right now, it could still get up towards 49.8 and 48.2. That's the main resistance. As long as it's above or below that level, or as long as it closes below that level, it's still technically bearish, I would say. It's also not reacting that much to the 100 EMA. So that's the main reason why I'm leaning towards being bearish on TRB. Now, apart from that, that's also supported by the open interest and the volume, which were quite high on Friday and Saturday, the 6th and the 8th, and the 6th and the 7th of October. Excuse me, I can barely talk. Which was last week. Last week, it actually became very bullish in the afternoon. We'll see if it's able to do that again. Since then, the open interest has been decreasing rapidly. What we are seeing, though, is a bit of an increase since last night. So perhaps that means that it's still possible to rally. But I am really leaning towards TRB falling down. And apart from that, just to give another argument, the funding rate, as you can see, used to be very high, has now been quite low and even positive at times, which also disincentivizes going long. So that's why I'm a little bit more bearish on TRB than bullish. So the most likely scenario in my eyes, with about 55%, is that it will drop down towards $45 and then slowly towards this major support between $42 and $40. And from there, we'll see again. We'll see what's possible. We'll see what's most likely. Like I said, a lot can happen for TRB. And even today, like last week, what happened was very unpredictable. Like the open interest was dropping down the entire time, like from the 30th of September all the way to the 5th of October. And then the 6th, so last week, it actually started increasing rapidly. And then all of a sudden TRB rallied. So something like that is possible. That's why I'm saying this has about a 55% chance. And 45% chance is that TRB just breaks above 49.8 and it rallies again up to at least $54 and $55. So we'll have to wait for that. All right, like I said, I'm leaning towards being bearish, but in the end, I think we'll have more clarity tomorrow. So I'll keep you updated on this if you're interested in that. Lastly, I have my own trading group as well, in which I will keep you updated on this every single day if you're interested in it. Apart from that, I also share my own trades as signals. You gain access to a community full of traders, which is very useful, and my trading guides if you want to learn how to trade and analyze like me. So if that sounds interesting, consider joining. But for now, that's my video. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.